Before we start, watch the video to the end and I will reveal to you how to get a course to the value of $997 and weekly coaching for free. Now, how cool is that? The first step is to find your magic number. Now, what is the magic number? That is the amount of money you will need per month to be financially free so that you can maybe have leave your 5 to 9 job. How much money would you need to be able to live through the month and pay everything you need to pay? Here is a little formula that you may use. How much are you making now? Say, for instance, you are making $500 per month now. Your magic number should be at least double that amount, which is $10,000 per month. The problem now is, how do you reach that number? We can reverse engineer and figure out a roadmap on how to get $10,000 per month. Step one is thus how to reach that magic number, pretty much predictable every month. Do me a favor and put your magic number in the comments. I would like to help you reach that number. Step two, write down this formula. Email list equals $1 per mail entrant per month. What do I mean by that? Let me give you an example. If you have 1,000 people on your email list, you will make approximately $1,000 per month. Now, this is not carved out of granite. I do not know you, so you might make less or even more from your list. This is very rough estimate, and that is used right through the internet trainings. I know what you are thinking now. I have no idea what an email list is. I have no idea on how to use it. Be patient, I will explain. Let's go back a bit to step one. You have your magic number. So let's think. If you need to make $10,000 per month, you will need 10,000 people on your email list, right? That is if you want to be financially free or leave your boring job. I do not say your job is boring, but have you ever thought about what you are going to do if you lose your job now? Something that is happening all over the world in these tough times. Or maybe you are retired. You need extra income because your retirement funds is not enough to support you and your family anymore. This leads us to step number three. The question now is, what do we do with this email list? You are going to use this list to make money, to promote multiple offers. That is multiple products, services, or ideas that can bring in money to you. The cool thing about this is that all the offers that you promote, you did not create it. You do not have to worry about customer service. You do not fulfill on the actual product or service, and you do not worry about shipping the products. We just promote other people's products to your email list. When somebody on your list buy a product, you receive a commission. Now, this is called affiliate marketing. Your email list is your very powerful asset. You own it. All the other affiliate marketer is doing is to promote the various products to the email list. In other words, we send people to the office and get commission thereafter. This is why affiliate marketing is such a powerful and easy business to do. If you are interested in how this is done exactly, and more important, if you want to copy the exact procedures of the system which we are using the exact email procedures and done for your website, then I would like to invite you to join us on a 3-day challenge with a very experienced instructor or mentor. The challenge is going to show you exactly how to build your email list. If you want to earn $10,000 per month, you will be shown how to build a list of 10,000 people and more, depending on how much you want to earn per month. As you get better in this game, you will build an even larger list. Imagine a list of 1 million people. This business has an exponential growth once you understand it and start building your list.